Hello everyone. I am here to talk to you about why every cell must have a lysosome. Each lysosome has a fairly basic structure. It is a plasma membrane that surrounds a mixture of hydrolytic enzymes. This sleek and efficient design allows the enzymes to be distributed to areas around the cell without exposing the cell itself to the corrosive hydrolytic enzymes. The hydrolytic enzymes are what give the lysosome the ability to break down polymers into monomers. This means they are capable of breaking down proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and carbohydrates through hydrolysis. Only animal cells can produce lysosomes. Every cell needs a lysosome for three fundamental functions. The first is phagocytosis. When an object enters your membrane, it must be degraded into monomers in order to be used to construct other parts of your cells. However, if a particle such as a harmful virus or bacteria are ingested by a cell through the phagocytosis, the lysosome will fuse with the particle-containing vesicle and degrade it by process of hydrolysis into monomers using the hydrolytic enzymes. All cells need a lysosome because without it you're at risk of hostile takeover by a virus or bacteria. Autophagy is the second fundamental function. All cells must recycle their old, damaged, or unwanted organelles in order to glean more nutrients for the cell to generate new, functional organelles. The organelle that has been designated for destruction is encased in a membrane. Our lysosome can then deliver the hydrolytic enzyme and by process of hydrolysis can degrade the cell, producing monomers that can be used as building blocks for other parts of the cell. The destruction of useless organelles will keep your cell tidy and efficient. Not only that, but it will create more sustainable cells, requiring less importation of materials for construction within the cell. The third and final important function is autolysis. As a cell, if you are feeling useless or unproductive, you can use a lysosome to give back to the community. During the process of autolysis, any cell could self-digest using a lysosome. The lysosome can release the hydrolytic enzymes into the cytoplasm of the cell, which degrades the entire cell back into monomers that are then used by neighboring cells. Every cell must have at least a few lysosomes. Without them, the cell would become so cluttered with waste that it would cease to function. Not only that, but the lysosomes prevent destruction by viruses and bacteria. And lysosomes are cheap, only $20 each. Call now for your lysosome.